Hello, my dear friends. Many learners say, English is too fast. I hear the words, but I don't understand. That's why we are here. Every slow English story is carefully structured to help you understand English step by step, slowly and clearly. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. By the end of each story, you will feel more confident and understand more naturally. To keep learning every day, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell so you never miss a new story. Come back daily, listen, and watch your English grow. Are you ready? Let's begin. Maya is 21 years old. She lives in a small apartment near the university. Maya has long black hair and brown eyes. She is a student and she studies business. Today is Thursday. Maya has 3 important classes. Maya wakes up at 7 o'clock. She feels good because she finished all her homework last night. Maya takes a shower. She puts on her favorite blue dress. She looks in the mirror and smiles. Maya makes breakfast. She has toast with jam and a cup of coffee. While she eats, Maya checks her backpack. Inside the backpack, she has her laptop. She has 3 textbooks. She has her wallet with her student ID. And she has her phone charger. Everything is ready. Maya says to herself, "Today will be a good day." Maya lives 15 minutes away from the university. She usually walks to school. She likes the fresh air. She likes the exercise. Maya puts on her white sneakers. She takes her backpack. She leaves her apartment. Maya walks down Main Street. The morning is sunny and warm. Many students are walking to the university. Maya sees her classmate Jessica. Jessica is waiting at the bus stop. "Hi, Maya," Jessica calls. "Do you want to ride the bus with me today?" Maya thinks for a moment. "Sure, why not?" she says. "My feet are a little tired today." Maya gets on the bus with Jessica. They sit together. They talk about their classes. The bus is crowded. There are students and workers going to their jobs. After 10 minutes, the bus arrives at the university. Maya and Jessica get off the bus. They walk toward the main building. Suddenly, Maya stops. She looks around with panic in her eyes. "Jessica," Maya says, her voice shaking. "Where is my backpack?" Jessica looks at Maya's hands. Maya is carrying nothing. "Oh no," Jessica says. "Did you leave it on the bus?" Maya turns and looks at the bus. The bus is already driving away. Maya feels terrible. Her heart beats fast. Her hands shake. My laptop is in that backpack, Maya says, and my wallet with all my money, and my textbooks for today's exam. Jessica puts her hand on Maya's shoulder. Don't panic, Maya. Let's think about what we can do. Maya tries to remember. I put my backpack on the floor next to my seat. When we got off the bus, I was talking and laughing. I forgot to pick it up. Do you remember the bus number? Jessica asks. Maya closes her eyes. She tries to remember. I think it was bus number 47, but I'm not sure. Jessica takes out her phone. Let me call the city bus office. Maybe they can help us. Jessica calls the bus office. She talks to a woman on the phone for 5 minutes. The woman says we need to go to the main bus station. Jessica tells Maya. Bus number 47 goes there at the end of its route. Maybe your backpack is still on the bus. Maya and Jessica walk quickly to the bus station. The bus station is busy with many people waiting for buses. Maya looks at every bus. She is trying to find bus number 47. There it is, Maya says, pointing to a blue bus. Maya and Jessica run to the bus. The bus driver is a middle-aged man with gray hair and a kind face. Excuse me, Maya says to the bus driver. I think I left my backpack on your bus this morning. The bus driver smiles. What does your backpack look like? It's black with silver zippers, Maya says. It has a small keychain with a red heart. The bus driver thinks for a moment. A young man found a backpack on my buses about an hour ago. He gave it to me and said, "Someone will come looking for this." Maya's eyes light up with hope. Where is it? The bus driver looks sad. I'm sorry. I already gave the backpack to the Lost and Found office. But the Lost and Found office is closed today. It is only open on Mondays and Fridays. Maya feels her hope disappearing. Today is Thursday. She needs her backpack today. Maya sits down on a bench at the bus station. She puts her head in her hands. She starts to cry. I can't go to class without my textbooks, Maya says. I can't buy lunch without my wallet. I can't even call my parents because my phone charger is in the backpack. Jessica sits next to Maya. Maybe we can find the young man who found your backpack. The bus driver said a young man gave it to him. Maya looks up. But how can we find him? We don't know his name. We don't know what he looks like. Just then, a young man walks up to them. He has short brown hair. He is wearing a green jacket. Excuse me, the young man says. Are you looking for a black backpack with silver zippers? Maya jumps up from the bench. Yes, that's my backpack. Do you know where it is? The young man smiles. I'm the one who found it. My name is David. I was on the bus this morning when I saw the backpack on the floor. No one was sitting near it. You found my backpack? Maya says, feeling excited. Where is it now? David looks confused. I gave it to the bus driver. He said he would take it to the Lost and Found office. Maya's excitement disappears. The Lost and Found office is closed until Friday. I need my backpack today. David thinks for a moment. Wait here, he says. I have an idea. David walks back to the bus. Maya and Jessica watch him talk to the bus driver. After a few minutes, David comes back with a big smile. Good news, David says. The bus driver hasn't taken the backpack to the Lost and Found office yet. It's still in his bus. Maya feels so happy she almost cries again. Really? The bus driver walks over. He has Maya's black backpack in his hands. Is this yours? The bus driver asks. Maya takes the backpack and hugs it. Yes, this is definitely mine. Thank you so much. Maya opens the backpack to check her things. Her laptop is there. Her wallet is there. Her textbooks are there. Everything is safe. How can I thank you? Maya asks David and the bus driver. David shakes his head. You don't need to thank me. Anyone would do the same thing. But Maya knows. Not everyone would help a stranger like David did. Maya feels so grateful to David and the bus driver. She wants to do something nice for them. Please let me buy you coffee, Maya says to David. It's the least I can do. David smiles. I don't need coffee, but thank you for offering. Maya notices that David is carrying textbooks too. Are you a student? She asks. Yes, David says. I study computer science at the university. I was going to my morning class when I found your backpack. Maya realizes something. Oh no. You missed your class because you helped me. David laughs. It's okay. Helping people is more important than one class. Jessica looks at her watch. Maya, we still have time to get to our first class. Do you want to go? Maya looks at David. What about you? Don't you have class now? My next class is at 2:00, David says. Maya has an idea. Would you like to have lunch with Jessica and me after our morning classes? I want to properly thank you. David thinks about it. That sounds nice. I usually eat lunch alone. Great, Maya says. Let's meet at the student cafeteria at 12:30. Maya, Jessica, and David exchange phone numbers. Then Maya and Jessica hurry to their class. During her classes, Maya keeps thinking about David's kindness. She thinks about how he could have just walked past the backpack and ignored it. But instead, David took time to help someone he didn't even know. At 12:30, Maya and Jessica meet David at the cafeteria. They buy food and sit at a table together. "David," Maya says, "I want to ask you something. Why did you help me? You don't know me." David thinks for a moment. "Last year, I lost my wallet on the bus. A kind woman found it and returned it to me. She had my address from my driver's license. When she brought my wallet to my apartment, she said, 'Someone helped me once when I needed it. Now I'm helping you.' Maya understands. So you help others because someone helped you." "Exactly," David says. "Kindness spreads from person to person. If everyone helps just one person, the world becomes a better place." Maya smiles. "I want to be like that too. From now on, I will always help others when they need it." Jessica nods. "Me too. This experience taught me something important." David, Maya, and Jessica become good friends after that day. They study together. They eat lunch together. They help other students when they have problems. Maya learns that losing her backpack was actually a blessing. It brought her a wonderful friend, and it taught her about the power of human kindness. And that is the end of our story about Maya's lost backpack. Maya learned that when bad things happen, good people often appear to help us. David showed Maya that small acts of kindness can make a big difference. When we help others, we create a chain of kindness. That chain spreads to more and more people. Just like Maya learning about kindness, you are learning English through listening and practice. The more you listen, the more you understand. Every day brings new learning opportunities. Did you enjoy this story? Please like this video and leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more slow English listening stories. Come back tomorrow for another slow English listening story. Until then, keep practicing your English. Goodbye.